What's up, Ma? You trying to go out sometime?
No.
The myth we're going to be debunking is if opposites attract. Now, what is that exactly?
Opposites attract is people getting attracted to values and views that are actually different from them.
The opposites attract myth can occur in everyday media as well. According to an article titled Why Opposites Rarely Attract by Vilan Swamy, a professor of social psychology, many films showcase or emphasize that your partner should have opposite qualities from you. Some of your favorite Disney movies, such as The Beauty and the Beast and The Little Mermaid, showcase this.
The peer-reviewed articles support the debunking of the myth. For example, Jackson DeMock, Kucadi, and Groove conducted a study to see how the relationship between coaches and athletes function. Coaches and athletes responded to statements such as, "In my coaching pursuits, see myself as someone who." They also used the 7-point scale to see how closely related they are to each other. The results indicate that the coaches and athletes work well together when they have similarities. And the child was introverted and the coach showed high levels of extroversion. They would not work well.
What would happen if opposites attracted and two people started dating?
Wow. Hello there. Would you like to go out sometime?
Sure.
Go.
Why don't you take me out on dates anymore?
Yeah, because you're always reading this book.
You're always skateboarding.
You know what? I'm over it. We're done.
As you can see, it can cause problems and can sometimes lead to breaking up or divorcing. According to Jansen 2002, life is easier when both people in a marriage share the same opinions and expectations towards their daily lives. When there are no similarities in a marriage, divorce can occur. Even if the opposites do attract, it can quickly repel.
We're all familiar with the term opposites attract, but it's not a golden rule. Some research suggests we're a lot more likely to date people just like ourselves. Positive assortative mating is the scientific term for ending up with and, well, mating with a partner who mirrors your traits. It can be quite literal. One study found that we're more likely to pair up with those who have similar facial features and are of a similar height. Other studies have found we tend to like partners with a similar level of body fat, and online daters prefer those of their own race. And those with bipolar disorder or major depression are more likely to choose a partner with a similar disorder. Fall in love with one person and not another. Recent research suggests our partner preference could come down to our brain chemistry. In one study, those with higher dopamine levels, think explorers who are sensation-seeking and independent, were more likely to be attracted to people similar to themselves. Those with higher serotonin levels, think calm and controlled, were more likely to pick similar partners too.
In conclusion, we believed our articles debunked the myth. Our relationships tend to be more successful with people that are more like ourselves.